And here's what I'm gonna bet happened next. The sound of the thud against his heart when he heard that news must have echoed all the way to F Block, where they are building that new firing squad chamber. Of course, nothing can ever guarantee a conviction. Kohberger's trial is set to begin July 30th with jury selection, but it is a mystery to me where on earth his lawyers are going to go from here. Where could they possibly go? I'm joined now by Steve Goncalves, whose daughter Kaylee Goncalves was one of the 4 students murdered at 1122 King Road, allegedly by Bryan Kohberger. Steve, it's good to have you tonight, especially with this incredibly earth-shattering news in this case. I can just see it on your face. This is such welcome news to you.
Yeah, this was a day that we've been looking forward to for almost 2.5 years. And it's kind of like the last Hail Mary that they were going for, to just throw it all out, put all the chips on the table and go for it. And we like the way that things turned out. We're going to go into the case with the same evidence that we started with. And that's amazing. That's a great deal.
Yeah, I mean, I keep saying game, set, match, right? With that DNA evidence that ties what would have been a complete stranger right to the bed where your daughter was murdered. I mean, that is a hell of a bad fact for defense. Listen, the way it works is on their side of the ledger, Bryan Kohberger can cry into his defense attorney's shoulders and ask, what's next? What do we do? What happens? On your side of the ledger, it's the prosecutors. Effectively, they're your lawyers. Do they talk to you? Do they get you through this? Do they help you with the patience factor as you wait all these months for these decisions?
The communication, it comes and goes. I mean, I try to assume that they're just super, super busy, but I'm an active person, so I wouldn't find my own lawyer. I found my own prosecutor, my own person who understands law to an extent that they do, even better than some of the people that are in that courtroom. So I feel like we're pretty much informed, and we're prepared for what's going to happen, and we're all working as one unit. And it's good to have days like this. You know, it took a long time, but you know, and people like Payne and Moyer, who literally were dragged through the mud, and people accuse those guys of lying or misrepresenting. You know, it's a great day for them. These are men that dedicated their lives to our community, and today is a day for us to all embrace that everybody's seen them doing a good job, and everything that they did will be part of the case, and all those challenges were invalid.
You were referencing that you went and got your own lawyer, that Shannon Gray. We've spoken to him a lot. He seems very invested and certainly very caring when it comes to yours and your family's benefit here. And you know, it's like you still want to know what else, like what still worries you. This is a great day. Obviously, this is the best day, but what still worries you ahead?
There's little pieces. If you read all through all the documentation, there's a lot of paperwork that came out today, a lot of details that weren't out. We look forward to that because there's details that we've had to hide, the things that we've had to keep to our chest. And the more that, once they say it, then we can say it. You know, we can bring more details out. And we said, a kill kit, you're going to read those documentations. You're going to find out that this individual left that house, and people spotted, you know, these things that were going out with him. And we bring that up because people, please don't forget, this guy was not a part of our community. He was not a part of North Idaho. He's not even a citizen of Idaho. This person came here with a plan, premeditated, full-blooded murder. And then he wanted to be a successful murderer, like a serial killer, somebody he studied. This is a sick individual that killed people sleeping in their beds, and there is no reason to have capital punishment if this isn't the case for it. So we're going to rely on all the people in the true crime community, all the people watching this, because it's going to get rough. We're going to have to put somebody all the way to the very ends of justice, but I think that's necessary. I feel like some of the reasons we have these mass shootings, school shootings and things, is because we don't do a good job of showing the very end of how this ends. And once kids see the full picture of what these disastrous behaviors are, maybe that puts a little bit in their head to slow down, think it through, talk to a friend, talk to a counselor, go to your school, communicate with somebody. Don't do this. Don't make one of these decisions where you take a bunch of people along with you.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.